What is the chemical formula for water? H2O. What is the basic unit of a chemical element? Atom. Who was the first Indian woman to become the governor of a state in India? Sarojini Naidu. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which Indian leader is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian state is the largest producer of rubber? Kerala. Which mountain range forms the eastern boundary of the Deccan Plateau? Eastern Ghats. Who is the author of The Great Gatsby? F. Scott Fitzgerald. Which author wrote Wuthering Heights? Emily Bronte. Which Indian state has the largest number of Lok Sabha seats? Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which Indian state is famous for the Valley of Flowers? Uttarakhand. Which vitamin is known to prevent scurvy? Vitamin C. Which city is known as the Big Apple? New York. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union and its territory? Part 1. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa. Which battle marked the beginning of British rule in India? Battle of Plassey. What is the official distance of a marathon race? 42.195 kilometers. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. What is the only floating national park in the world? Kebul Lamjau National Park. In which year was the Right to Information Act passed? – 2005. What is the most common element in the Earth's crust? Oxygen. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? Article 17. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union government? Part 5. Which golfer is nicknamed the Golden Bear? Jack Nicklaus. Who is the author of The Tale of Genji? Murasaki Shikibu. Who was the first gymnast to successfully land a triple twisting double backflip? Simone Biles. Which book is known as the Bhagavad Gita? Hindu scripture. What is the minimum age for election as President of India? – 35 years. Who was the first person to reach the South Pole? Roald Amundsen. In which year did the Indian Constitution come into effect? – 1950. Which country is known for the Eiffel Tower? France. Which author wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee? What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Avocado? Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Article 37. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the amendment of the Constitution? Article 368. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister? Article 75. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the formation of new states? Article 3. Which tax replaced the sales tax in India? VAT. What is the national sport of Canada? Ice hockey.